Hello dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss second application of dimensional formulas. Second application is to check the correctness of formulas. So we have, suppose we have one formula f equals to 1 f m into a. Now we can check this formula right or wrong. For checking this formula, we have to find dimensional formula of left equation left side and dimensional formula of right side are equal. So from LHS, dimensional formula of force is m1 L1 T minus 2, and dimensional formula of right side from RHS, dimensional formula of mass is equals to m1 L0 T0, and dimensional formula of acceleration is equals to m0 L1 T minus 2. So according to homogeneity principle, this is the equation. So that's why dimensionally left side is equals to dimensionally equals to right side. So the dimensional formula of left side term is equals to the dimensional formula of right side term. Here we can write here m1 from left side m1 L1 T minus 2, it is the dimensional formula of force, is can be equals to dimensional formula of mass is m1 and dimensional formula of acceleration is L1 T minus 2. So we look here, dimensional formula of both sides are equal, that's why the formula is correct. And suppose we have a formula, we don't know formula is right or wrong. So suppose like this, I can written it F equals to m v by r. Now let us check the formula is right or wrong. Okay. Similarly, from left hand side dimensional formula of force is m1 L1, and from right hand side dimensional formula of mass is m1 L0 T0, and dimensional formula of velocity m0 L1 T minus 1, and r is the radius of a circular path. So r is the distance, the dimensional formula of radius is equals to m0 L1 T0. Now we combine, we get m1, combine these three terms, m1 L1 T minus 1 upon L1. Okay, so L1 to L1 cancel, so m1 L0 T minus 1, which is not equals to right hand side. So that's why it is not equals to left hand side. We solve the right side term, and which is not equals to left hand side. That's why we can say F is not equals to mv by r. This formula is wrong. Another example. Suppose we have a formula F equals to mv square by r. We have mv square by r. So dimensional formula of right hand side is, left hand side is F force is this, from right hand side mass, dimensional formula of mass is this, and dimensional formula of velocity is this, and radius is this. So we can solve this, right hand side solve this, mass, dimensional formula of mass is m1, and dimensional formula of velocity is L1 T minus 1 square upon m0 L1 T0. Okay, now we can write m1 after solving this expression L2 T minus 2 upon L1. It is equals to m1 L1 T minus 2, and which is equals to LHS. So we can write here, we can observe here, right hand side is equals to left hand side. This is the dimensional formula of force. That's why this is the correct formula. Okay. Now another example. Suppose we have an equation. V is equals to U plus AT. This is Newton's first equation, equation of motion. In this case, the dimensional, when the equation, if equation is right, then the dimensional formula of this expression is equals to this and all of this. So we check from left hand side. V, dimensional formula of V. V is the final velocity, m0 L1 T minus 1. And from RHS, dimensional formula of U is the initial velocity, is m0 L1 T minus 1. And dimensional formula of acceleration A is m0 L1 T minus 2. And dimensional formula of time T is equals to m0 L0 T1. So after solving, we get from this velocity, dimensional formula of final velocity is m0 L1 T minus 1, which is equals to dimensional formula of initial velocity m0 L1 T minus 1 plus dimensional formula of A equals to m0 L1 T minus 2 and dimensional formula of T is equals to T1. After solving, we get m0 L1 T minus 1 equals to m0 L1 T minus 1 plus, after solving this, m0 L1 T minus 2. Okay, now the dimensional formula of each expression is, algebraic expression is equal, that's why the formula is correct. If any one expression does not equals to dimensional formula of this expression, that's why the equation is not correct. Suppose we have taken another example in which expression is not correct. Okay, for example, S is equals to ut plus half at. Suppose this is the expression. Now we can check this formula is right or wrong. Okay, so half is doesn't have any dimensional formula because numerical value doesn't have any dimensional formula, and angle is also not have any dimensional formula. So from left hand side, dimensional formula of S is a distance L1, m0 L1 T0 is equals to U is the initial velocity. The dimensional formula of initial velocity is m0 L1 T minus 1, and here dimensional formula of time is T1 plus half doesn't have any dimensional formula. Dimensional formula of acceleration is m0 L1 T minus 2 into dimensional formula of T multiplied by T. Okay, so after solving, m0 L1 T0 is equals to m0 T1 to T1 cancel. This is T minus 1 and T1. They are cancelled to each other. So L1 T0 plus here m0 L1 T minus 1. Look here. This expression is not equals to this and this. That's why this equation is wrong. Okay. So this is the second application of dimensional formula, and I hope you all get understand this expression. So you will do practice and more practice, and you have feel some doubt, so please ask me. I will try my best to solve your problem. Thank you very much.